Who should you vote for these upcoming elections as an Amazon seller? In today's video, I'm going to tell you who you should vote for, as the title implies, as what I said implies. Let's just skip all that bullshit, okay? I'm going to tell you the truth. It does not matter at all, okay? It does not matter at all. It's not going to change your life at all, and I'm going to tell you why, all right? So, first of all, yes, you should go vote, okay? Because people in the past vote for your right to vote, blah, 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 democracy, yeah, all that stuff. Yeah, you should go vote, okay? The truth is that you do not make that big of a difference. You do make a difference, as people say, but it's really, really small. First of all, you do not make a difference, okay? And the reason why I'm making this video is for you to actually go back and focus on your business and focus on what matters, what actually matters to change your life, okay? The outcome of this election, I mean, first of all, there's not a lot that you can do. Okay, I'm going to tell you there's not a lot that you can do. You're one amongst hundreds of millions of people that are going to vote. I'm not even sure many people actually vote. Stop putting that much energy into that stuff, okay? You will get the results at the same time as everybody. Stop focusing on that. Just focus on your business, okay? Whether you vote for Donald Trump, whether you vote for Kamala Harris, it's not going to change anything to your business. I guarantee you it's not going to change anything, okay? The changes are going to be minor. And I'm going to tell you why. When Donald Trump got elected, so I was in the US under Obama, I was in the US under Donald Trump, and I was in the US under Joe Biden, all right? I was in the US as an immigrant, and every single immigrant freaked out. Not even immigrants, but people were freaking out. For me, I was not even freaking out because I know that these things do not change anything, right? All that time I was in the US as an immigrant, right? And I haven't seen anything that actually changed for me. My life stayed the same. I kept doing the same thing. I was a student. I went from being a student to an entrepreneur. I was in the US as an entrepreneur. Nothing changed for me, all right? There's not one single thing that actually changed for me, okay? My life was the exact same under Barack Obama, under Donald Trump, and under Joe Biden. Nothing changed, not one single thing, all right? Not one single thing changed, except COVID in the middle, but all that stuff. But at the end of the day, my life was the exact same. Your business is going to be the exact same whether Donald Trump gets elected or Kamala Harris is going to be elected. And I know what you're going to say. Oh, it is not true, taxes, blah, blah, blah. There's always a way that you can maneuver to actually pay the same amount of tax that you are going to pay anyways. Like, just look into corporate structure, look into all that stuff. It's not going to change your life. You're just going to do things maybe a little bit differently. But then at the end of the day, nothing is going to change. There's not one single thing that is going to change. Stop focusing on dumb stuff like that. Because I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Election season in the US is almost like it's entertainment. It's nothing else, okay? Lives are at stake. Like you guys act like life is at stakes, all that stuff. There's nothing at stakes. It does not matter. Just focus on your business. And at the end of the day, if something happens that makes you not comfortable in the US anymore, just leave the country. That's it. Like, just make enough money to leave. Just focus on that. Because the truth is that you don't have a lot to say anyways. All right? And this is what I want you to understand. Your voice is so small that at the end of the day, if people want to fuck up the country, they are going to fuck up the country. There's nothing that you can do, right? If this is what you believe. So, and by the way, I'm telling you, I don't care who gets elected at all. Whether it is Donald Trump or whether it is Kamala Harris, I don't care at all. Like, and I'm going to tell you the truth, like 100% something that is like that I find crazy, okay? Yes, Democrats are dumb as fuck, but Republicans are dumb as fuck as well, all right? Both sides are dumb as fuck, okay? Whenever you see somebody that is actually 100% super deep, like trying to defend a candidate, like 100%, like you'll see that 99.9999% of these people are actually really dumb as fuck, okay? If this is something that you are actually doing, stop doing that. It's so dumb. You are wasting your time. You're wasting your time. It does not, like, it's not worth it, okay? Focus on your life, focus on your business, focus on your family, And stop with all this entertainment bullshit. It's not going to change anything about your life, okay? Whether the US gives money to Ukraine or not, it's not going to change anything about your life, okay? Take responsibility for your life yourself. Stop trying to find a scapegoat, like, oh, I'm paying money for Ukraine, I'm paying money for this and that. Who gives a fuck? Like, just focus on your business, okay? Focus on your business, focus on your family, focus on what you have to do. Fuck the election, fuck Donald Trump, fuck Kamala Harris, we don't care about them. Focus on your business, whether it is Amazon, whether it is YouTube, whether it is eBay, I don't care. Just focus on that. Take care of your business. Yeah, tax may change, all this and that. There may be different stuff for business. Yeah, we don't care. Worst case scenario, just go to the Cayman Islands and incorporate over there and you don't pay tax. Okay, figure out something. Talk to somebody and figure out a way to not pay tax. Like you can find tons of ways to legally stop paying tax in the US if you really do not want to fund the war in Israel-Palestine. If you do not want to fund Ukraine, if you don't want to fund all that stuff, just find a way to avoid paying tax legally and you will stop paying tax legally. That's it, okay? It's not more complicated than that. Your voice is so small that you can go vote if you want, but if people decide to go the other way, there's nothing that you can do. What are you going to do, okay? Are you going to go protest? If you actually look at it, only dumb people go and protest. People that don't have shit to do. You have shit to do. Focus on your business, focus on your family. Let people go protest. Let people do all that entertainment thing with the election, all that stuff. That's none of your business. Focus on your business. Focus on Amazon. Focus on YouTube. Focus on eBay. Focus on e-commerce. Focus on whatever it is that you are doing. Focus on school. If this is what you are doing right now, focus on this. Fuck the election. Fuck them. Just focus on you. Focus on your business and you will be good. Alright? So hopefully this video was helpful. I hope so. And I hope that it really helps you change your mind regarding all this stuff. Alright? And you can say that, oh, why are you speaking? You're not in the US anymore. My business is still in the US and I'm literally traveling back to Miami tomorrow. Alright? So yes, it matters to me. It should matter to me, and I don't care. I don't care at all. It should matter to me way more than you, because I'm actually an immigrant in the US. Alright? And I know that whether one or the other actually gets elected, it's not going to change anything for me. And I know what you may say. You may say that I'm inconsiderate for all those people that are actually illegal immigrants or that are in difficult situations, all that stuff. Yeah, maybe I am. But at the end of the day, you're not going to change the world, okay? With your small vote, all right? Focus on your thing. If you want to help the world, make money and then go and do some charity stuff or whatever. This is how you're going to help the world. This is not by casting a vote, okay? You have way more power than that. So, yeah, hopefully this was helpful. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.